So guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very cool way of earning cash, a cheat code. You might be a very huge fan of you on YouTube, and from YouTube you've read blog posts, if you've done translations and all of that. But what if I told you that there's a means to making money with some AI tools that I'm going to be showing you, and how you can mint and continue minting money from them? In this 2024, we are going to make money. Okay, so now imagine scrolling on YouTube. This is a Spanish YouTube channel. Yes, and you can see from Spanish, you can see all, it's all written in Spanish. You can see blog posts, people creating blog posts. You can see blog posts. You can even see transcription here. You can see it written here. Okay, now I'm going to be going ahead to start with the first AI tool that will change your life. And the first one is, I'm going to be starting with Rask AI. So basically what this Rask AI does, helps to localize your videos, and it has over 130 languages, meaning whatever language you want to transcribe your videos to, it most probably has it. It has voice clone, it has lip sync, and it has multi speakers, meaning you want a guy, you want a lady, it has it. Okay, now if you're a content creator, you're a YouTuber, what have you, and of course you want to reach more audience, probably you know that you have Spanish speaking audience, you have French speaking audience. Rask AI can help you translate your videos to this. Now that is one way you can earn money. Another way is how I'm going to be showing you now. What you will need to do is go on Fiverr, and now you'll be thinking, oh, I'm always saying Fiverr. I know you'll say Fiverr. What is it about Fiverr? This is because on Fiverr you can literally sell anything. You can literally sell any service. Now what you're going to do, how to leverage on Rask AI, you're going to go to Fiverr and you're going to create an account. If you already have an account, please do not create another one, because you risk your account of being banned or terminated. Okay, so you want to create an account. If you do not have one, then create a gig. I'm going to be showing you how, what is the level of earning that you can get from this service, because what you are going to be selling is a service of translation. You're going to be selling that you can translate service, and literally, as on Fiverr, you can literally have different gigs you are selling. So now for this one, you're going to be selling translation gig. Let me show you how other people like you are earning and how much they are earning. So you're going to be literally type. So you can see these are gigs, and you can see 42,000 plus services. Okay, you can see I will translate your text from Latvian to English and vice versa. I will translate and add English or Spanish subtitles to your videos. So something like this is what you'll be going for, because you do not want it to be obvious that, oh, you are using AI, because AI is literally changing the game. You can create your gig and say, oh, I'm going to be translating English to Spanish subtitles, because basically what your client is going to do is going to give you his English videos. You go ahead and input it in Rask AI, and it translates it to Spanish. Then you can go ahead and um of course do whatever touch up that may be needed. But you can see how much you can literally be earning just from this, and you can see ranging from, of course, $5. You can see them. Sorry, this is, yes, $5. You can see it. This is, I will translate your blog. This is, you can see $100. There's a whole lot, you get, there's a whole lot, and you can see how much. You can see from the reviews, and normally not everybody drops reviews, but you can see this person has 1K plus reviews, meaning this is something that is selling. It is something that is selling well. So you can put it up there, and of course start getting ready. You can also go ahead to go to YouTube channels. There are YouTube channels who, of course, this is like, this channel is a Spanish speaking channel. You can go search around YouTube, you see other channels who are Spanish speaking. There are also some who speak English, and their video they also translate it to Spanish, probably because of their audience. You can go ahead and pitch to them and let them know that, oh, that you can translate their videos to also to Spanish. You can help them, you can help them make the workforce easier, okay? Because probably it's one person doing all the work. You can also do that, and of course streamline all the workload from the person, and you get paid. And in order for you to get paid and you want to make it more professional, you can direct the person all the way to your Fiverr gig that you are going to create, okay? So it is a whole lot. That is the first one. Now on to the second one. Like I said, for this Rask AI, if you don't know how to construct a pitch, you can go into Chat GPT and give Chat GPT a command, give me a pitch, and to tell a client blah blah blah, yada yada yada, and ChatGPT is going to give it to you. You can tell ChatGPT, make it less salesy. The more you give ChatGPT, the more quality it brings out for you. And one thing about Rask AI I'm going to tell you is that it has a pro version, meaning you need to subscribe, because for this amount of goodness, why won't you even pay as much as a little token? Okay, so it is not compared, okay? It is not compared to what you're going to be getting or how much you're going to be earning, because when something is worth it, definitely how much you're paying for it will not really matter. So let's jump into the next one, which is in videos. Now you would have watched a couple of my videos where I've been preaching in video AI, and this is literally changing the game, because this in video it is very precise. It is very precise, and you can see in videos basically helps to create videos with text prompts. Okay, so if you are a content creator and you want to grow a faceless channel, you want to grow a faceless Instagram, you can literally input your text ideas into InVideo, and InVideo in matter of minutes comes up with a video playback of it. Now what you need to do is go back to Fiverr and create a gig. So with one account you can create multiple gigs, and that is the goodie about Fiverr. You can also go to YouTube and go ahead and pitch to content creators with faceless YouTube channels, okay, letting them know that you can assist them, of course, in doing in creating their YouTube, helping them to create videos on their YouTube without, you can see this is a faceless channel. You can see this because there is no face, how you can help them create um videos from just their text prompts. And of course you pitch that idea to them, and you can also direct them to your Fiverr gig to make it more professional. Now for Fiverr, let me show you how much people can be making from this and how much people are already making from this. So you can see stuff like this. You can see there's a whole lot. This is, we have 8,300 services plus services available, meaning it is readily requested. And you can see I will convert a script into a video with a voiceover. I will convert your text to videos. So basically you want to create a catchy caption like this, and you want to create a small thumbnail here to make it to display or to show what you do and make it attractive to the eye for people to want to check you out. Okay, you can go as well as pitching to other people off Fiverr, because Fiverr, people will scroll and pick you. However, you can still go ahead to pitch like I made mention on YouTube. You can also go on Instagram for faceless Instagram channels as a content creator. You can go on TikTok. You can go on several social media channels and pitch to people using, you can use ChatGPT to help you, give you a solid pitch. You pitch it to different people, and of course the more people you pitch to, the more chances you have of getting, of course, a yes. And the goodie about this in video AI is that it has a free version, meaning you can access it for free. You can literally see what in video the quality in video gives you. I'm not going to be showing you the video of something like what in video can do. However, I have already done that, and I'll be leaving the video in my description below for you to check it out. And I really went in depth on the features of InVideo. However, like I said, InVideo has like a pro version, because the free version may have watermarks on it and may not have the highest video quality. However, it doesn't hurt to try it out. Okay, now the third one is Chat GPT. I know you are thinking or expecting something new or something different, but this is the goodie, is that this thing that you actually think is very, very super common can actually be the thing making you cool cash. So I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money from Chat GPT. Now this is Chat GPT, and literally, actually this is Chat GPT 3.5, so there's an upgrade plan. Um so spare me before you think, oh, it's even the old version. So I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 rather. However, this can work wonders for you. So aside the fact that ChatGPT can be used to help you answer questions, it can be used to prepare for an interview, it can be used to create a letter, it can be used to create a sales pitch, what have you. Do you know that people are even requesting for Chat GPT produced, results? I'm going to be showing you. So basically all you need is Chat GPT, and Chat GPT is literally accessible by anyone. Now what you're going to do, like I always say, is go and create a gig on Fiverr. Now I'm going to be showing you how much people are earning from this, and how much, you know how many people like you are doing something like this. Basically what you're going to be doing is you are going to be reviewing, you are going to be creating scripts, you're going to be creating blog posts with Chat GPT. And the thing is that you do not even have to rack your brain to say, oh, I do not want my poster to use ChatGPT. You are literally going to be selling it as a ChatGPT blog post writer. Now, let me show you. So you can see I will do blog writing using ChatGPT 4 AI. Your poster, or sorry, your client already knows it's ChatGPT. He's actually looking for ChatGPT. So that's why I said Fiverr is a very good tool. You just need to know the services to sell. Okay, and that is why ITFI is here to help you out. Okay, you can see touch not ChatGPT prompt. I will do custom AI ChatGPT prompt engineering for your content writing. You can see I will write software SEO article blog post with Lasper AI Chat GPT. You can see, so all you need to do is know how to, construct your write up here and put on a fancy, thumbnail that is eye catchy and will get your customers really attracted and thrilled. Okay, so these are like some very, very amazing AI and how you can leverage on them. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do want to leave it, give it a thumbs up. Do want to comment what you think, and do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, so when next I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. I remain TFI, the Finance Intel, and I help to show you ways on how to make money online. So stay tuned for more of my videos, and bye.